Hi guys, this video is going to be about an affordable planner which I found at Ross for $5.99. I love the cover. I like to travel whenever I get a chance, so let's get into it. It gives you all the holidays for 2019. It gives you the year at a glance. Are in navy blue. So it gives you a section for goals, birthdays, appointments, important dates, holidays, and then it gives you the next 3 months. Well, I'm sorry, the month before, the current month, and then the month after. Okay, then it turns into this color. I'm gonna pick this one up because I love the color scheme that it had. Okay, again, it gives you your notes section, your holidays, appointments, important dates, birthdays, goals, and then it gives you all the months. So the only thing I didn't like about this is that it doesn't have any of like the holidays already on there for you. So you would have to add those on there. I don't know, maybe some people like that. I don't. I personally like the holidays already being written on there so I don't have to worry about it. Okay, and then what I did love about this is the fact that it gives you a ton of pages for notes. Like all of this is just for notes. So and I saw a ton of them that came out with different covers and they were all around the same price of $5.99. So once again, this was the one that I chose. Every day is a new adventure. Embrace the journey, just because like I said, I do love to travel. Thanks for watching.